welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to replace a broken steering knuckle. As you can see here, completely snapped right here on the left side. Here's another angle of the whole thing, and then you can see the broken piece right there. And to do this, I'm actually using the Traxxas part, which is 3736. There's also a lot of aftermarket parts, including some aluminum parts and some higher quality plastics by RPM and things like that. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So first off, you're going to want to take off your wheel. Okay, let's go ahead and take off this broken part. I actually have this little handy dandy multi-tool, and it lines up perfectly with that size of that nut there. The screw is a 2mm. Okay, so go ahead and get a hold of that with this little mini wrench. You can also use a little crescent wrench as well, and just unthread the screw. Set that aside. Okay, and then all you have to do is take off the broken steering block, and that's held in with one screw here. And there it is. All right, and then to take off your wheel hex, all you do is pry it off with a flathead screwdriver, just like so. That should pull straight out. You will have a little pin, do not lose that, and then a little shim or washer. And then this will push right out, just like so. And then all you have to do is take out your bearings. You can simply use an Allen key and just pop these out, like so. There's one bearing, and then you have your outer bearing. And there is the broken steering block. Okay, and then while you have this apart, it's a good idea to kind of eyeball everything, make sure you don't have any broken arms or linkages. Make sure this is all intact, nothing came loose or broken here, and everything looks fine, thankfully. So let's go ahead and take these out of the packaging. All right, and the good thing about these is that they're actually mirror images of each other, so they're not left and right specific. You can use right and left, left and right, and whatever you want to do. Let's go and take the new one here and start by checking the bearings, making sure they spin nice and smooth, which they do. I'm actually going to give them a quick wipe down. Okay, so take your new steering block and go ahead and push your bearings in. There's going to be one on each side, and you want to try to shoot for pushing these straight in. You don't want to push them at an angle because you can ovalize that bore there. All right, just like so, and then do the other one. Perfect, there you go. Okay, go and take your axle, pop that straight through, and I'm actually gonna lube up my bearings while I have this out. One little drop is just what I need, and works just fine. I'm gonna wipe off the excess, and then repeat the same for the other side. I'm actually gonna lift that up a little bit, give it a quick spin, and wipe off the excess. And that just keeps it spinning freely and smoothly, and also resists getting rusted and corroded. Go and put your washer back on, and then finish it off with your pin and your hex. Just like new again. And let's go ahead and reverse the order. So let's go and put this back in. Pin drops straight in. Go and screw this back down. Okay, and you take your screw, and these fit kind of tight in there, so you actually have to thread this in before you actually install it. Okay, connect your linkage back together. I'm actually going to flip this around and use my wrench on this part here. And after that's all done, go ahead and put your wheel back on. All right, and there you are. You're all set and good to go, ready for the next run. Just double check the suspension. Steering looks okay. Wheel spins just fine. And that's gonna sum up this video. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you and you found this useful. Please like and comment as usual, and hit that subscribe button. Would really appreciate it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. See ya.